Distributive property and factoring. So when we are doing distributive property, we are distributing the number that's outside of the parentheses to the numbers that are inside the parentheses. And that's why we draw these arrows, okay? Going from outside to first inside, outside to second inside, okay? Y times 5, well, remember that every variable has an invisible 1 in front of it, okay? So 1 times 5 equals 5, right? So 1y times 5, you're still going to have 5. It's just going to be 5y. So when we distribute y to the 5, that's 5y. Keep your subtraction sign, minus 4y. Okay, this next one doesn't have parentheses. So this one we're going to be using factoring. We've got 28 and we've got 7. Okay, so the first factor pair we always list is 1 and the number. 28 is an even number, so it's going to have 2 and 14 as its factor pair. Let's see, 4 and 7 are the other factor pairs. 7 over here is a special number. It's a prime number, so it only has 1 and itself as factors. Now, what's the greatest common factor? Is 7 on both t-charts? Yes, it is. So 7 is the greatest common factor. That's what's going to go outside of the parentheses. Inside of the parentheses, I need to multiply something that would give me 28y. So I can look at my t-chart and see what did I multiply to 7 to get 28. That was 4. Since I need 28y, this is going to be 4y minus 1. Okay, because 7 times 1 is 7. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more with you, so you're going to have a lot of this assignment done by the time we get through this, and you'll just have to do 2 on your own. Okay, so distribute the 5 to the 2x and the 5 to the 7. 5 times 2 is 10, so 5 times 2x is 10x. Use the x from the keyboard. Keep your subtraction sign. 5 times 7 is 35. Last one, we don't have parentheses, so we are going to be factoring on this one. We need to make a t-chart for 25 and one for 35. That's 1 and 25 and 5 and 5. Those are the only factors of 25. For 35, it's 1 and 35, 5 and 7. So does 35 show up on, actually no, let's do 25. Does 25 show up on both t-charts? No, it does not. Does 5 show up on both t-charts? Yes, it does. 5 goes on the outside of parentheses. 5 times what is 25? 5. Keep your plus sign. 5 times what is 35x? Well, 5 times 7 is 35, so 5 times 7x is 35x. Okay, go ahead and finish that on your own.